Lucamus Prime here, and today I'm doing a voice comparison reaction for Black Canary. So, full volume and full screen, and let's go. That theme's in my childhood.
You don't understand. If we
yes,
here without Wildcat,
that's how my childhood, and she's a voice of, she's in The Flash, I think, as well, yeah. As a voice of Harrison Welder's AI, which is pretty cool. I think she's called Gideon, and she's also Vanessa in Deadpool 1 and 2. Yep, that's also part of my childhood, and I like Grey Griffin, she's a great voice actress.
Oh no, not a bad mission, Batman. You eliminate half the crime in Gotham, you stop Two-Face cold, and you get your life back. Watch your mouth!
Oh!
What would you do without me?
She's done more,
yes,
hasn't she?
The answer is yes.
DC Showcase.
Want to hear a secret?
Okay.
I consider it an honor to be your teacher. I'll throw a lot.
I like her as Wonder Woman, but she's actually alright as Black Canary, so I'll give her a thumbs up.
Now, combat is about controlling conflict, putting the battle on your terms. You should always be acting, never reacting. I'll need a sparring partner.
I don't know what it is about a guy with a bow and a blonde goatee. Makes me either want to punch him or kiss him. Sometimes both, but mostly punch.
The last time you tried out some new arrows, you destroyed half the city and almost got us killed.
Huh. Wait, where's Katie Cassidy? Where's Julia Harkavy? Oh, come on. Could have at least included the one from Arrow, you know, Dinah and Laurel Lance. Anyway, the last one was pretty okay. But anyway, the only voices I like were Marina Baccarin from Just League Unlimited, Grey Griffin as well, and Vanessa Marshall. And she's also her in Injustice 2 as well, I nearly forgot. Which is a great game. But come on, what about Katie Cassidy and Julia Harkavy? They're Black Canary. They're the only ones I liked. Anyway, so that was me reacting to a voice comparison for Black Canary. So, click like and comment below, tell me who you liked as the voice of Black Canary in this video. And tell me who you think should play her in the DCU if she ever shows up with Green Arrow, who knows. And click subscribe, so I'll see you all soon.